Shelli, Pelly, Annie Parker Confidential. Welcome to my home in Solana Beach and welcome to my kitchen where you are always welcome. I am being eaten alive by a big huge scarf, I know. My husband's paralegal got me for me 1 year for Christmas, and it's my favorite scarf of anything in my closet, and it's cold outside. So we're going to make today some extremely healthy gluten-free, sugar-free blueberry muffins. Now, these aren't like the fake healthy where you look at the recipe and you're like, what the is this? This is not healthy. This is going to be made with gluten-free flour, with ground flaxseed meal, oat bran, and of course a little bit of xylitol, which is a sugar substitute that is plant-based. Let's wash our hands, get back here, let's whip up a batch and get healthy for the year. Okay ladies, we're back and they're done. They were baking in the oven for about 25 minutes. I took them out, I cooled them on a wire rack, and now they're ready to go. These are super healthy and they are legit healthy. It's not, you know what I'm talking about, those recipes that say they're healthy, but when you read the ingredients, you're thinking this is a cupcake with blueberries in it. Not so with this. These are gluten-free. They're extremely low sugar. There's no refined sugar added to it, no honey, no maple syrup, none of that. We're just using the xylitol, which is a plant-based sweetener, and the bananas, which add a little sweetness and the moistness, and the blueberries. Now the ground cloves add a nice little warm, homey touch to it that I think separates these from other blueberry muffin recipes. So anyways, give them a try. Tell me what you think below. And for this recipe and other amazing light recipes, fitness, wellness, style, and beauty inspiration, visit me at the blog, AnnieParkerConfidential.com, and I will see you next week. Thanks, ladies. Bye.